my god. What?
Look at this image.
It doesn't even look like it's real. Like, it looks like somebody just dropped that in front of us. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Where? In the... Oh my god. This thing is colossal. Structure I've ever seen in real life, I think. It's crazy, isn't it? Jeez.